Are you tired of asking yourself, where do you need to go to find ideal clients who will pay you at the highest level? What if I told you that someone's already done the heavy lifting for you? Someone's already gathered your ideal clients in one place, and all you need to do is plant yourself there so you can be found by them. In today's video, I'm going to share the exact strategy I used to generate $42,000 and only worked 60 minutes. Now, I know you can't retire on $42,000. And in my book, 60 minutes for $42,000 is pretty good. So here's what I want you to do. Instead of thinking, where do I need to go? Where do I need to go? Where do I need to go to find my ideal clients who will pay me any price and they won't care? I want you to start asking yourself, where do I need to go to be found by my ideal client? Specifically, ask yourself, what conferences do my ideal clients go to every single year? What association dues do they pay for religiously? What podcasts or YouTube channels do they watch daily? Basically, where are they already gathered that I need to plant myself so I can be found by them? So I'm not chasing them and saying, where do I need to go? Where do I need to go? Where do I need to go? But instead, I'm attracting because I'm putting myself where they can find me. And when you do that, you are going to find that you instantly are seen as an expert in their eyes. You're going to almost instantly have that know, like, and trust factor. And you will find that they will buy your highest level offer with almost no more effort from you. Not only that, I can't think of a better win-win-win scenario for the podcast host or the conference host or the magazine editor, for you as the expert, and for the ideal client. Like, it does not get any better. And this is a strategy that I first learned when I started my business from my first business and sales coach, Jeff Williams. And I still use it today. In fact, I remember when I had pivoted my business from serving executives and focused solely on entrepreneurs. And the first thing I needed to do, because I needed to position myself to be seen differently in the marketplace, was deploy this strategy. And one of the first places that I pitched myself to was the Kingdom Driven Entrepreneur podcast. At the time, the host was Shay Bynes. And I had one powerful, fun, in fact, I didn't even know how powerful it was. I'll be honest. It was a fun conversation with her. And she was like, okay, it was sometime in the summer. And she's like, okay, we're going to release this podcast in November. And I forgot about it. But I will never forget the day it was released, which was the Wednesday before Thanksgiving in 2018, because I got a number of people in my inbox, my website inbox, who said, and had signed up for my discovery call, who had said, I heard you on the KDE podcast, and I know you can help me, and I'm ready to work with you. And within less than a year, one pitch, one conversation, I generated over $42,000. Imagine that. It was like a keynote speech, right? A fun, laid back keynote speech that I did in the comfort of my home, and it generated over $42,000 in less than a 12-month period. So here's what I want you to do. Again, stop thinking, where do I need to go find my ideal clients? And instead, ask yourself, where do I need to plant myself to be found by them? And when you do, you will find that you are seen differently by your ideal prospects. Like that you'll go from unknown to cold to cool to warm to hot. Like the prospect will literally move themselves in a short amount of time. Some, it will be an hour. And I remember this happened to me. I knew that I was looking for a solution. And I was scrolling on LinkedIn one December, and one of my connections was interviewing someone who I had never heard of before. And I listened to her interview, which was less than an hour, and immediately, because she was speaking to my exact problems, she was sharing her story, she was being authentic, right? Immediately I was like, oh, she has a solution and I want it. And in less than 7 days, with me hearing her on that podcast and having a brief 15-minute conversation, I then invested $3,000 in her on-demand program. So I'm not telling you that it works because I was the recipient and have been the recipient from one podcast, but it's been more than one podcast. I'm also telling you it worked for me. So I know this is not, oh, it only worked for Althea. This is a principle. This is a principle that will work for you as well. So the best way is to shift how you think. And really what you're doing is you're serving your clients at the highest level by making it easy for them to find you. And you're doing the work to be found by them, which is a lot more fun and a lot easier, in my opinion. And definitely the results are a lot faster than going to find them, being on that. Where can I find them? Where can I find them? No, where can you be found by them? Now, one thing that to add to this, and why I love podcasts the most, or speaking engagements the most, is because you've heard me talk about the 7 hours and 11 touch points. And studies have shown that prospects need 7 hours to engage with you and 11 touch points. Now, when you're speaking to higher level clients who know they have a problem, have already tried to solve that problem, but it hasn't worked, and are actively looking for a solution to that said problem, they often don't need 7 hours. And nonetheless, why I love podcasts or opportunities for you to engage in a long conversation, it's like you get that you're going to kill that one of those 7 hours so quickly, right? So type in the chat below, where can I be found? Like you're not looking to find them, you're looking to be found by them. So I want you to type in the chat to let me know that you're on board with being found by your ideal prospects, and you're going to plant yourself in a place, in this prosperous place where they're already looking, they're already waiting to be, to be found, for you to find you, literally. And they're like, oh my gosh, right? And the host is like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. Because you got to remember that people who are podcast hosts, event hosts, they are having a hard time. It's harder to find high quality experts who is going to serve their audience well. So like I said, it's a win-win-win for everyone. Go ahead and type in the chat below that you are going to, I'm ready to be found. I'm ready to be found. Yeah. So I know that you are with me. Listen, did you know that there are at least 7 pricing mistakes that you may be quietly making that are robbing you of making more money in your business, or really making millions? I've created a brand new training and bonus workbook for you. Here's the workbook. And I want you to gain access on this training so that you stop letting money walk right past you. You stop making these big pricing mistakes that most women entrepreneurs make. Go ahead and click on the link in the comment section or in the description and get instant access to this training. Okay, until next time, take care. God bless. That was a different tone. Love you. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Then click the TV to watch the next video. Make sure to go to altheamcintyre.com and get instant access to my new training on the 7 biggest pricing mistakes women entrepreneurs make that keep them from making more money.